Most law school applications have the same core components. In this video, we'll break down what those are so you can better understand what you'll need to prepare when applying to law school. I want to make a quick disclaimer now that every law school is different and may have additional requirements beyond what is discussed here. Be sure to read each school's application instructions carefully to ensure you aren't missing anything. The first thing all law schools will have you do is fill out an electronic application form. This is a multi-page document that asks you to fill out information about yourself. This includes your name, date of birth, education, past work experiences, details about your identity, and character and fitness pertaining to any past disciplinary action. More on that in a moment. Law school applications are hosted on the Law School Admission Council's website. The acronym they use is LSAC or LSAC. You will fill out applications online at lsac.org. If you have not yet made an LSAC account, you should start this process by creating one. LSAC also administers the LSAT, the Law School Admissions Test, so you'll need to make an account to register for the test if you plan to take it. On the application form, there will be a question asking you to disclose any past misconduct that falls into two categories, academic and criminal. This is known as character and fitness. When the application asks if you have any past disciplinary action against you or expect any to be brought, and you answer yes to that question, you'll be expected to submit an addendum explaining the circumstances of the reported incident. Not everyone will have to submit a character and fitness addendum. If you're unsure whether your circumstances warrant disclosure, I encourage applicants to err on the side of caution and disclose. Through our application services, we offer an addendum review package specifically for this purpose, where we can help guide you as to what and how to disclose details of an event. The third component of your application will be the score from an entrance exam, whether that's the LSAT or the GRE. We have a separate video explaining what the LSAT is, why it's important, along with an explanation of how the GRE is used in law school admissions. The fourth thing you'll need to apply to law school is an official copy of your undergrad transcripts and any transcripts from every institution you've attended where you've received credit towards your degree. This includes study abroad programs, community college classes you took during the summer, and any graduate work you might be in the process of completing or have already completed. If you're a non-traditional student and it's been years or decades since you've graduated, be sure to contact your school and allow extra time for your transcript to be processed. Depending on the year you graduated, your school may not have been using an electronic record-keeping system, and it might take additional time to locate and scan in your paper records. The fifth component of your application is the personal statement. This essay is an opportunity for you to introduce yourself to the admissions committee through an essay demonstrating your background, experiences, adversity, accomplishments, and aspirations. Keep in mind that many schools do not conduct interviews, so your personal statement is often your only opportunity to present yourself to the admissions committee. For more help on the personal statement, check out our video on how to brainstorm an essay topic or our application assistance packages on the personal statement editing. Along with your personal statement, your resume is also required. This is another chance to illustrate who you are, your academic and professional achievements, and show the admissions committee how you spend your time, both in school and work, and through your hobbies and interests. One thing a lot of applicants don't realize is that your law school admissions resume should be different from your employment resume. The goals are different for each. You're not trying to get hired for a specific position or prove your technical skills to the reader. Instead, your law school resume is intended to serve as a highlight reel, showing what makes you a strong and unique candidate for law school. They want to know who you are, academically, professionally, and personally. If you're unsure how to adapt your resume for graduate admissions, we also offer a resume review package that allows us to go through your resume with you and help fine-tune it for law school. Next are your letters of recommendation. These letters can be both professional and academic. However, these letters should not be personal recommendations. Check out our video on who and when to ask for letters of recommendation for more details on securing that to help you stand out. The last component of the application that you'll want to submit are optional essays. If you're given the chance to write additional essays, don't miss the opportunity to bolster your application and help it stand out. While they are optional and not submitting an essay will not hurt your application, you stand to benefit greatly by sending in additional essays. Keep in mind that the schools are making a very big decision based on somewhat limited information. They have the information that you've provided to them, unless they conduct interviews. So the more information you can give them, highlighting why you're an outstanding candidate, the better. Don't go overboard though. Only submit what they say is permissible. Don't add on your senior thesis or other papers for them to read if the instructions didn't say that was an option. Part of the review process is knowing that you can follow directions. So these are the core components of the application that are required by almost all law schools. Once you decide where you want to apply, take inventory of what is asked from each school to ensure you're complying with their application instructions.